Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Mama Bear's Homestead and More. On today's adventure, we're here with old Clarence with a K. The combine itself has not harvested anything since 2022. He had it running in 21 but didn't combine with it. So I just want to change all the fluids and gonna work on the brakes, but that'll be a different video. But yeah, let's change the oil on this 1974 Gleaner K. Let's see if I can get you guys set up somewhere where you can see us what we're doing. But I've already got the bucket hanging right there's the oil drain hose. It's kind of cool. Guess we can do that move. I hope you guys can see that. Okay. All right, got it brake loose. There we go. All right, we can get our wrench tool out of the way there, hopefully, and just unscrew this little plug. Don't drop it in the oil bucket. And it's draining. I do know that's a 250 Chevy 6-cylinder gas engine. Everybody I've talked to said them were really good engines. Pretty really reliable. Oil's black, so I think it's been in there a while. Went to the Napa store, got me a oil filter and a oil, and then I got Dextron to change all my hydraulic oil out, but they didn't have the filter, so said they'd deliver it in the morning. So we're gonna hopefully get the oil changed on it and then get the hydraulic drained out of it. Or it's hydraulic oil, but they use Dextron. Probably go ahead and get me a new fuel filter. They put a new lift pump on it before we bought it. Yeah, so fun watching oil drain. But it was cool because the Napa store I went to, they got their filter days, so I got my filters for half price. Can't beat that. I think a hydraulic filter was like $54 originally. find my receipt here. I can tell you. $43, and I got it bought for $12.94. That's awesome. The oil filter was originally $17.76, and I got it for $5.33. Yeah, wow. So we put $110 in it between the oil and the filters. No combine's worth that much, I guarantee that. Alright guys, we got the oil drained. Got the plug put back in, the drain hose. So let's change this filter now. Put the same filter on. It's a Napa 1069. We greased up our O-ring around the filter. Let's wipe some of this stuff off. $10.69 and tight. Fill it up with some oil. Give it a second for that oil to get down there. And I got another project I want to do while I'm here today. This the hot cable for the battery's got a bare spot on it that we probably ought to address. That ground cable's already unhooked. There, right back on so we don't lose it. I think it's got 2 or 3 spots on it where it's clamped. They're holding it. Alright guys, but you see how this all bare wiring right here? Yeah, I don't like that, so we're gonna tape take this off, this wire completely off, and then put it heat shrink that and put a different end on it. I don't like them ends either. So yeah, we got a bolt right here holding it and a bolt right here holding it. So let me go get my deep well sockets. All right, guys, we got our last one right here. We need to get this off. Yeah, with bean dust and them bare wires on it positive on the hot side, I don't think that's a very good idea. So we'll get all that button cleaned up and made more better. There's another one up here, and of course it's what size I don't have out here up here. I'll probably just break that because it's just a 1/4 inch bolt, so it ain't gonna hold. But you never know. Okay, now the hard part, we gotta get all these other wires out of this loom, or out of the holder. Got them wires out. Okay. This one. Okay. This here out. Okay. So now we need to take this out. Wrench. Right. Alright, I'm gonna go get this fixed up and I'll be right back. Alright guys, we shut the fuel off because me and Bub had to drive it around, check it out, make sure it still ran, but it did. We got our new hot wire, that beautiful red wire coming down here to the battery. Got that all fixed up. New bolt in the ground cable. Changed the oil. Did not get the hydraulic oil out of it yet, but we'll do that tomorrow, hopefully. Maybe if we get a chance to get back over here and work on it. It's right there, that little sight glass. It's the hydraulic reservoir, not real big. Hopefully it holds about a case of Dextron. But we'll get it washed, we'll find out where all these leaks are, why it's all wet. But yeah, but we're gonna leave this video here. I gotta get to church, and as always, keep on keeping on, my friends, because we love every single one of you. Jesus does too.